Look at this rubber nipple, you can see all around. Okay, so this was dropped down while I was cleaning the start motor area. And I checked the internet, and it's supposed to be the condensation drain nipple. There is a hole under the start motor, and this is supposed to be there. So I will try to put it back again. So last time I tried to put it this way, it seems not right. I tried to put it this way into the hole, but it's not easy to put it back. But now I'm sure it is from that hole, so I'm going to try to put this into the hole on the start motor case. So now you can see I'm under the car, and this is the drive shaft, and over the drive shaft that's the start motor, and you can see there's a hole just over there, and that's for this nipple. So I'm trying to put it on, and then you can see the installed position. So that's start motor. We're going to put the nipple on. So now you can see the nipple there and the installed position. I'm sure I have installed it properly. You can't see them while installed, just feel. You can use your fingers and feel to get it in, and then you can feel it is in the installed position. Yeah, that should be it. So you can see the nipple installed in there underside the start motor. Condensation drain nipple.